children, welcome to Gokulam. Write number 2. Let's write number 2. How to write number 2? This is number 2. Like this, should write. This is number 2. Let's trace the number. This is number 2. Slowly trace the dotted lines like this. This is number 2. Like this, I have to write. How to write? Like this, you have to trace the dotted lines. Slowly. How to trace the dotted line. This is number 2. Slowly, have to trace the dotted lines. This is number 2. How to write number 2? Like this. Trace the dotted lines like this. Trace the dotted lines. Then I have to close these lines. This is number 2. Let's trace the dotted lines. This is number 2. Slowly trace the dotted lines. Then close here. This is number 2. How to write number 2? Like this. Trace the dotted lines. Write number 2 like this. Number 2. Trace the dotted lines. This is number 2. How to write? Slowly trace the dotted lines. This is number 2. Slowly trace the dotted lines. This is number 2. Slowly trace the dotted lines. This is number 2. Slowly trace the dotted lines. Slowly trace the dotted lines. This is number 2. Trace the dotted lines. Write number 2. This is number 2. Trace the dotted lines. This is number 2. Slowly trace the dotted lines. Write number 2. Number 2. Write number 2. Slowly trace the dotted lines. Write number 2. How to write number 2? Like this. Slowly have to write like this. This is number 2. Number 2. How to write? Like this. This is number 2. Say and write like this. Slowly write. This is number 2. Once again, slowly write. This is number 2. This is number 2. Slowly. This is number 2. Number 2. Write number 2. This is number 2. Slowly have to write down. This is number 2. Write number 2. How to write? Like this. Slowly start from here. Like this. One curve. Like this one straight line. Slowly write number 2. This is number 2. Slowly write down like this. This is number 2. How to write number 2? This is number 2. Let's count and write. 1, 2. How many leaves are here? 1, 2. Only one leaf. More than one leaves. How many leaves are here? 1, 2. Let's count it. 1, 2. Write number 2. 2. Do you know spelling 2? T W O 2. Number name. This is number and number name 2. Count and write. Let's count the leaves. 1, 2. This is number 2. Number name T W O 2. Number name. Let's count it. How many flowers are here? 1, 2. Only one flower. More than one flowers. How many flowers are here? 1, 2. Let's write the number 2 like this. 2 spelling number name T W O 2. Number name 2. Number 2. How many flowers are here? 1, 2. 2 flowers. What is this? Tree. Only one tree. More than one trees. How many trees are here? 2. How many trees are here? 1, 2. Write number 2. Number name 2. T W O 2. Number name 2. T W O 2. Number 2. This is number 2. Write number 2. This is number 2. How to write? Like this. Write slowly. Trace the dotted lines. This is number 2. Write once again. This is number 2. How to write? Like this. This is number 2. Write number 2. Like this I have to write down. This is number 2. This is number 2. This is number 2. How to write? Like this. This is number 2. This is number 2. This is number 2. See and write. This is number 2. Count and write. 1, 2. 2 leaves. Number 2. Number name T W O 2. 2. Count and write. 1, 2. 2 flowers. Number 2. T W O 2. Trees. How many trees are here? 1, 2. Number 2. Number name T W O 2. Count and write. 2 leaves. 2. 2 flowers. 2. 2 trees. 2. How to write 2? Like this. This is number 2. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.